Good morning, coming to you from Howell, New Jersey. We just completed another basement waterproofing job. On this job, the customer was getting a lot of water into the basement. We designed a waterproofing system that had 2 sump pumps and 2 sump pits due to the size of the basement. The system runs all the way around the basement. In this area of the state, it's a very sandy soil conditions, so we did take a couple of precautions. Because of that, we did put in our special sump pumps that are designed to pump the water, but they do not get clogged with sand. We did a couple other things.